Morning to you too. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, good morning. Good morning. Day 3. Officially morning number 2 for me. This is Sunday. We got here late Friday afternoon, almost Friday night. Had a good night. Spent all day out here as much as we could Saturday, but it rained, so we spent most of the day up under Bones carport. Got back out here last night, spent the night in the hammocks again. I got in the 50s. I don't know what it was. Got kind of chilly. Wasn't too bad though. It's kind of nice. Got a big old bonfire going. Huge campfire, put it that way. Huge campfire. And now we got the coffee going again this morning. So probably gonna get some kind of grub or something on there. The ladies are still in the hammock there. Putnut's still in his. It's amazing they kick all the covers off of them in the hammock. Looks like their hammocks are leaking all the quilts. You know, they're leaking, spilling all the guts out. That's something else. But we got the percolator going there on the campfire. Got some videos to shoot today before we have to pack up and leave. That last day, man, I just hate the last day. You can't enjoy your day, you know, because you know you got to go back to work the following day. Let me get the coffee going. Yep, morning time here at Bones Yard. Bone got him an unusual coffee doohickey thing there. It looks like some kind of a early invention of a coffee dripper. Bone, you want to explain what you did?
Actually, we need to disassemble it and show what's inside of it.
I reckon so. After we get this round of coffee here drink.
Well, actually, I can go ahead and... It's probably hot.
Yeah, it's probably hot. And see there, see that dog in the fire? That's a hellhound.
Yeah. All the water's gone out of it.
You put the hot water in the top.
Well, you just put any water in it.
But I'm thinking it had to be hot.
No, yeah.
I mean, cold water dripping down on top of your coffee, I don't know.
And it goes into the bottom.
Can you remove that without burning?
Fill this up with water, and it's got these little tiny holes in it.
Yeah, at the very bottom.
At the very bottom.
Mm-hmm.
And it sifts through these little tiny holes and goes in to the coffee, which the coffee is actually a filter, and then it goes down to the bottom of the pot, and the heat, the fire, a stove or a campfire, heats up the cold coffee water. So what Bones Yard and Manland had an idea of boiling the water so it won't take as long to boil. So there you go. And it's ready with boiling water.
Now that right there is an actual percolator everybody's pretty much familiar with. It's got coffee going in it. Wait for it to heat back up. But that's what's going on at Bones Yard with this new drip percolator thingy.
White rabbit, white rabbit. Yep.
It worked?